Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Makartt Blooming Gel Polish. First, ensure your nails are clean, dry, and shaped to your liking. Then, apply a thin, even layer of your favorite gel base coat. Cure this base coat under a UV lamp for 60 seconds or an LED lamp for 30 seconds to create a strong foundation for your design. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of the Makartt Blooming Gel directly over your cured base coat. This step is crucial, but remember, do not cure this layer yet. The blooming gel needs to stay wet so that the magic can happen when you apply your design color. Now for the fun part. Take a different color gel polish and use a dotting tool or a fine brush to draw dots, lines, or any pattern you desire onto the wet blooming gel. Watch closely as your design begins to spread and bloom, creating unique and artistic effects right before your eyes. This is where your creativity shines. When you are happy with how your design has bloomed, it's time to cure it. Place your nails under a UV lamp for 60 seconds or an LED lamp for 30 seconds to set the design. Finally, apply a layer of no-wipe gel top coat and cure it one last time for 60 seconds under UV or 30 seconds under LED, ensuring a long-lasting, glossy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.